I love it. The gritty city, Cleveland. You know, a lot of you guys ask me, say, CycleCruza, man, why do you pull in the clutch and coast up the stops? Why don't you downshift properly? Well, I'm fixing to tell you in this video.
Let's go for a ride. Watching CycleCruza's all-in-one motorcycle channel. Subscribe today. Continually video suggestions, but you may find what you're looking for by visiting my website at CycleCruza.com and click on the menu tab My Videos. And those are a bunch of playlists with all of my videos categorized in them to make it easier for you to navigate through.
I'll tell you guys, it really sucks not being able to speed on this bike. It sucks riding a fast bike slow, man. I wish I was on my YZ right now, to be honest with you. I love this bike though, man, but I just, I want to crank it. But yeah, I pull in the clutch and I pull up the stops. That's something that I know a lot of you guys think, CycleCruza, do you know how to downshift? Of course I know how to downshift. There's different styles of shifting that you can do, man. You know, a lot of you guys are stuck in the mindset you have to only do the textbook shifting. But there's different styles. The reason why I pull in the clutch and coast the stops, it puts less wear on the engine. Yes, it may put a little more wear on your brake pads, but brake pads are a heck of a lot cheaper than anything that wears out in your engine. But I don't do it just for that. I also do it because it helps save fuel. I've done some tests way back in the past, and it will help save some fuel. That's how I'm able to get 40 miles per gallon average on my CBR 1000 RR. That's how I was able to pull out a 50 miles per gallon on my CBR 600 RR. This bike, I can only pull out 27 miles per gallon average, but I'm working on getting better with it. But it's not about just fuel efficiency for me. I could care less, you know what I'm saying? I don't ride a ton of miles where fuel efficiency where it makes a difference to me one way or another. I could care less, but the main reason why I do it is because I just enjoy doing it. It's something I love doing. Can I downshift the stop? I can downshift to stops, but I enjoy coasting up to stops. That's just something I love to do. Now, I don't do that on my so you gotta ride defensively out here, baby. But when I ride twisties, obviously I'm not pulling in the clutch and trying to coast. You know what I'm saying? I only do that here, just crapping around riding in the city. And also I'll put it in a higher gear around city, which some of you guys noted. You're like, CycleCruza, why are you riding around in like 6th gear? You know what I'm saying? It'll help save gas. I call it hypermiling on the bike. But it's just but like I said, when I'm in the twisties or whatnot, I keep it in the lowest gear. I'm higher in the RPMs. I do downshift and I engine brake and everything else. But out here on the streets, I'm pulling in, I'm cruising, but I do click down through the gears when the clutch is pulled in. So once I'm at a stop, I'm in 1st gear, ready to roll. You know, you end up stalling the bike if you're in a higher gear and you forget to click down through the gears. Some of you guys are gonna scoff at what I do. You're gonna say, CycleCruza, you shouldn't do that. That's not right to do. See, I click down, bam, 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 I'm down. See, I'm in 1st gear, I'm ready to roll. But some of you guys are like, CycleCruza, no man, you gotta downshift, you gotta do the textbook style of shifting like you're supposed to do, like it says in the manual. Well, you can do that, okay guys? I do what I want to do out here. You know what I'm saying? I've been riding probably collectively, if you add it up from the time when I was a kid and as an adult when I started back, probably about, I don't know, 15 years or so. I was a motovlogger for 7 years out here so far, and I do what I want to do. This is just something I love to do. You know what I'm saying? I find it very irritating to me when you're doing stop and go traffic and you're constantly downshifting, you know, at stops. And I feel like it's wearing the engine. I don't know, I'm weird like that. That's why my CBR 1000 RR rides so smooth, man. It's like the engine's like brand new. Cause I'm not hard on it, man. You know what I'm saying? But you do what you want to do, guys. I do what I want to do. You know what I'm saying? I know how to ride. You can talk crap as much as you want, baby. But you know what? At the end of the day, I've been out here riding for a long time, and I've been staying safe. Knock on wood. I stay safe out here on the streets, because you know what? I ride defensively out here. That's how you have to ride, guys. Defensively. Defensively. Use those hand signals. You know what I'm saying? Don't rely on the signals on your bike. Always look everywhere around you. Have eyes all around you, baby. Stay on top of them cars. Hit that horn when you need to. Let them know your presence. You know what I'm saying? And I think I'm just gonna go ahead and add an aftermarket exhaust on this bike. At least I can get some sounds out of the bike at these low speeds, man. Because I do need that sound, so when I see a car getting ready to pull out, I can get some proper sound, because this stock exhaust is just, there's hardly any sound, but it does sound good. Don't get me wrong, you still get that V4 sound. Anyways, guys, I'm just letting you guys know, because I had some trolls out there like CycleCruza, man. You don't even know how to downshift. You don't know how to ride. You don't know how to downshift, man. Pulling in the clutch instead of downshifting the stops. You ain't nothing, man. If you knew how to ride, you would know what I'm doing, man. You know what I'm saying? You would know about coasting and all this if you knew how to ride. A lot of you guys think you know what you're talking about. You don't know what you think you're experts, and you ain't nothing, man. You don't even know about some stupid coasting and hypermiling out here on the streets. You know what I'm saying, man? But anyways, you do you, I do me, man. It's out here on the streets. It's all about staying safe, baby. It's not trying to be a street Rossi out here. You know what I'm saying? It's about staying away from these cagers and staying safe so you can ride another day. So for you new riders out there, don't listen to these knuckleheads out here telling you should be speeding around corners trying to get some knee slide action. Forget that knee slide action out here. Take that to the track, baby, where it belongs. Not out here on the streets. But anyways, guys, for those of you guys who want to get my gear, like this awesome helmet that I got, full carbon lightweight helmet with the mirror shield, I'll include a link in the description and comment section of this video. Or if you want to get my neck brace, my camel pants, my boots, my gloves, leather jackets, cameras, all my stuff, my CE armor jacket, I always include links in the description and comment section of my videos, or go to my website at CycleCruza.com and click on the menu tab, My Gear, and that's links to all my stuff.
Hit thumbs up, check out my playlist for new riders and popular videos. Don't forget to comment and subscribe, and check out my other channel, Bug Out Moto, where I customize a van for my motorcycle so I can live in my van with my motorcycle and travel across the country anywhere. Subscribe to my YouTube channel, Bug Out Moto.